Hello everybody, we're in downtown Sarasota. It is a Friday at about 6:07, sun setting at 7:45 p.m. Downtown Sarasota, the bay is to the left. Over there we'll be going over the Ringling Causeway, the largest bridge over in this area. But we gotta make a left turn up here. Alright, passing.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto North Tamiami Trail.
I love the way she says Tamiami. Alright. Coconut Avenue. Alright, so we're going left and then we'll go right. Okay. So downtown Sarasota. Favorite place in Florida. So we'll go left on Tamiami, and then we're gonna go right on Gulfstream, which will be the John Ringling Causeway. And then we'll come back, and I'll probably hang out over here at the Golden Gate Point or at the Island Park. And there's O'Leary's Tiki Bar and Grill over here, right at the Island Park. And Marina Jack restaurant over there, live music. So yeah, I'll probably hang around that area until the sun sets, or I might get my sunset run in over the John Ringling Bridge, because I will be filming for the Sarasota Half Marathon course, which does go over the Ringling Bridge. So yes, we're stopped at a red light. Unfortunate, but that's just the way it works. Alright, but that is all the background information. I guess the downtown area is more to the left. A really cool little historic district. Lots of shops. Lots of little shops. Lots of little restaurants in there. Resume. Basically, we're just going to turn left here on Tamiami. Hopefully we get a green light here. We got it, but we stayed in the right lane. It was definitely a lot of cars in the right lane compared to the left.
Use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto North Tamiami Trail.
Wow. We're very generous with the green light. I appreciate that. It is still not rush hour
In
traffic.
1,000 feet, turn right onto Gulfstream.
Those cranes. So we got the I think that's the Chase Bank building. Downtown Sarasota. Gotta find out where these helicopter tours are coming from. I've been here a couple weekends ago and helicopters flying over. I don't know where they take out at.
Turn right onto Gulfstream.
Alright, turning right on a Gulfstream where it says North 789. Gonna turn right. The marina is straight in front of us. Awesome marina. I'll get you some great footage of the marina, because it's definitely a place you want to visit. We'll be going straight across the bridge. Longboat Key is 4 miles away. The nicer part of the Longboat Key beach is probably like 7 miles. Coquina Beach. Okay, so now water to our left side, water in front of us. No water to the right. So let's see. Condos to the left, I can get you some names. This is Gulfstream Drive. First one to spot a new 2013-2015 red Corvette wins. Wins a free video. I'll send you a free one. I know, short or long. I'll send you a free one. Alright, so that is the Golden Gate. Yeah, I mentioned that, Golden Gate. Just a gated condo community. But here we go. We're gonna go over the John Ringling Causeway.
John Ringling Causeway for 3/4 of a mile.
Like I said, the half marathon does come over this bridge. I did kayak underneath it, all the way some of the other ones. 6 a.m. Cool dog. No parking in cul-de-sac. Beautiful day. It says 80 degrees outside. That ain't too shabby at all. Gangsta car. Gotta be a gangster if you drive a Cadillac and you're under the age of 50 or 60. Wow, that's some footage, huh? Stay alert, stay alive. That's a pretty cool park. This is Bird Key Drive and John Ringling Causeway. I'll show you the other side. Very easy to put in the kayak on the right side here. Right here on Saturday morning, tomorrow morning, the local running store will have a big 5-gallon, whatever, Gatorade. Oh, what do you call it? Water cooler. Over here with cups and trash on a table for all the runners. Pretty active over here. Don't mess up. Beautiful car. That is it. Some footage. That's it. There's another park straight across. Very easy to get to over there. Yeah, before the sun sets, we'll go over there because I just want to get to the marina right when the sun sets, really. We'll run tomorrow. Need a day of rest. Did a 5-miler 2 days ago, 4-miler yesterday. I'll do a 3 today. No, tomorrow. Let's go over to that park. They just got done going over the bridge. So, their legs are feeling good. Well, they got to go down the bridge. There's Bird Key totally open right now. Alright, so we're going to turn right here on John Ringling Causeway. So this will be north on John Ringling Causeway. Almost clearing up. Here we go, one more car. Alright, I think we got a green light. Whee! Green lights are good. So we'll get you that park over there to the right side. However, right after this bridge, I'm going to cut the video and restart it just so they're not super long and I got to break them up too much. Alright, so that was a great video of entering Sarasota, downtown Sarasota, to over the John Ringling Causeway, to that small park to the right side on Bird Key Road in John Ringling.